Stop scrolling if you think coffee is just a drink. It's actually the fuel that built empires, started wars, and changed the world, all from a little red berry. Our story begins in 9th century Ethiopia. A goat herder named Kaldi noticed his goats dancing wildly after eating red berries. Curious, he tried them himself, and suddenly he had more energy than ever. The very first coffee discovery was made by dancing goats. News spread across the Red Sea to Yemen. Monks used coffee to stay awake during long prayers. They discovered that roasting and brewing the beans created the drink we know today. Coffee became a spiritual tool, a gift from above. By the 15th century, coffee houses exploded across Mecca and Istanbul. These were the original social networks, places where people gathered to chat, share ideas, and debate politics. Coffee wasn't just a drink, it was changing cultures. In the 16th century, coffee arrived in Europe through Venice. Italian traders brought back this mysterious new drink. At first, people were suspicious. Some even called it Satan's drink, until the Pope got involved. Pope Clement VIII decided to try coffee before banning it. He took one sip and declared, "This Satan's drink is so delicious, it would be a sin to let only non-believers enjoy it." He blessed it, and coffee spread like wildfire across Europe. By the 17th century, coffee houses popped up all over England, France, and Germany. In England, they were called penny universities, because for a penny, you could buy coffee and learn more than from any book. These places birthed the Enlightenment. Meanwhile, the Dutch were playing the world's most ambitious game of espionage. They smuggled coffee plants out of the Middle East and started plantations in Java, Indonesia. Coffee was now a global commodity, and empires were built on it. One of the best stories comes from Brazil. In the 18th century, a Portuguese diplomat was sent to French Guiana. He didn't just settle the border dispute, he secretly smuggled coffee seeds back to Brazil. Today, Brazil is the world's largest coffee producer, all from one act of botanical theft. Then came instant coffee, invented in 1901 by a Japanese chemist. It made brewing coffee as easy as adding hot water. It became a lifesaver during wartime and a staple in every kitchen. Coffee was now everywhere all the time. During World War II, coffee became essential for soldiers. It kept them alert and fighting. American soldiers were given daily rations, sometimes up to 4 cups a day. Coffee became a symbol of comfort and resilience in the darkest times. In the 1960s, the specialty coffee crowd emerged. They cared about beans, roasting, and brewing. Coffee wasn't fuel anymore. It was art. Arabica and Robusta entered our vocabulary, and we started taking coffee seriously. Then came the explosion of coffee drinks. Espresso was perfected in Italy in 1901. The Americano was born in World War II. Lattes and cappuccinos became global sensations. The flat white came from Australia. Suddenly, ordering coffee required a dictionary. In 1971, a coffee shop opened in Seattle that changed everything. You know the one. Suddenly, we were ordering venti and frappuccino and paying $5 for something that used to cost a penny. Today, coffee is a $200 billion industry. We have apps, subscriptions, and AI-powered machines. You can order with a tap and have it ready before you walk in. We've come a long way from dancing goats, and over 2.25 billion cups of coffee are consumed every single day. Coffee has connected people across continents, cultures, and centuries. It's a universal language of warmth, energy, and community. From a dancing goat in Ethiopia to a hipster cafe in Brooklyn, coffee's journey is incredible. It's been blessed by popes, smuggled by diplomats, and sipped by billions. Who knew a little red berry could change the world? But wait, what's next for coffee? AI roasters? Lab-grown beans? That's a story for another video. Comment coffee if you're drinking a cup right now, and subscribe if you want more caffeinated content. See you next time.